Hey, fellas, ladies, children of all ages, let's say goodbye to the old trusty 10-inch Proto. Your boy was playing cheater pipe the other night. Busted it clean off. I mean, 4-foot cheater pipe. I was trying to bend some half-inch material, but hey, that's all right. Stand by. We got something. That's right. You know, when you play the cheater pipe game, it's a gamble. Some days you're the winner, some days you're the loser. But look, got a little replacement set up here from Proto. See what they've changed, see what's new, what's different. All right, that's the ooh, the finish looks a little nicer anymore. There's your 8-inch right there. I went ahead and got the combo pack because the 10 and the 12, well, I busted my 10 and my 12 took a dive on me somewhere. Somebody, one of the swell folks at work lifted it, or I'd left it somewhere. It's a possibility either way. But man, these new Proto styles are got a lot of difference going on. Got a new brand name. Now, if you're new to Proto, they're Taiwanese made. They used to be USA made, I think. And they used to be quite a name in tools, but I still like them. I've been using the Proto adjustable wrenches quite a bit at work. And I know I've got the Knipex pliers wrench, but sometimes you need a adjustable wrench to get the stuff that I do. And also, it's hard to use a cheater pipe on a Knipex pliers wrench because you got the two handles you got to deal with. These are really nice. The finish is nice. The quality of the look, they've smoothed that out. All your stuff's cleaned up in there. These don't have the clicking stops like this. This other setup had the one where, which is why I kind of liked them a little better. When you set them, they stayed there. Unlike some of your cheaper Chinesium stuff, the more you unfastened something, the looser the fitting got. So, yeah, so that's it. The 10, the 12, and the 8. So, like I say, my 12-inch, it took a walk on me. I busted the 10-inch up. I still got the 8, and I got the other style 8. So, we'll have a backup now. But yeah, there you go. The Proto 3-piece set. It's probably got a single item number for the set, which is J795SA. And WR adjustable 3 black. And then if you want the individual part number, J7125, I think that's a B, is the 12-inch. J7105B is the 10. And J7085B is your 8-inch. And as usual, we'll take them to work and see how they hold up. I'm gonna try to refrain from cheater piping anymore, but let's be honest, it's probably gonna happen. I was trying to straighten out a guide in one of the machines. It was bent, so the whole angle was off for everything else, and it was pushing stuff out of alignment, and so I tried to do it that way instead of having to take it all apart and go back to the shop and heat it and bend it back, and it got me a busted wrench. So, was it worth the gamble? Yeah, if it worked, and it did end up working a little bit. It got straighter, and then it busted, but it could have gotten more straighter, if you know what I mean. So, that's where we are. The Proto 3-piece adjustable wrench set. We're going to take it and test it out, see if it holds up to the old Proto set, which I really loved, but, there you go. No cheater piping this time. I can't promise it, but I'm going to try. Thanks a lot for watching, y'all. Have a great one. We'll see you on the next one.